नमस्कार. आम्ही आता शेंच्यापाशी चढ व्हिडिओज केले नस ते सगळं तुम्ही व्यू कोण തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും तुमगेला अभिप्राय सगळं घाल का मी रांदूचे सगळं आम व्हिडिओज काढता ते सगळं लायक करून येल्पूतू एडिट करून घालता त्यावेळी आम्ही आमका जाल्यान सपोर्ट तुम्ही दिला तर आमका आणि के व्हिडिओज करू असेल प्रेरणा मिळतली त्यावेळी तुम्ही सगळं टांगणी लाईक कर का तुमच्या फ्रेंड्स आली शेअर कर का सबस्क्राईब करू सांगू काय
Kooka Dhevi Ghassi. Here is a popular Ghassi in Kochi, Kerala style, which will appeal to kids also because it has their all-time favorite potatoes. Usually, Ghassis are broadly called Dhevi and Kali to denote the type of coconut masole used. If it's just coconut with chilies, it's called Dhevi Ghassi. If the coconut is roasted and used, it's called Kali Ghassi. So, to start with, here is half cup turi dal, wash well, and then add 1 cup of peeled and chopped potatoes. You can add more as you wish. Add water as needed to pressure cook. Also, add 1 small tomato or 1 piece of Dharmyasol Malabar tang. Now to pressure cook this till soft. Keep aside. For the coconut masole, I am taking 1 cup of grated coconut in a mixer jar. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Then add 4 red chilies or according to your spice level. 1/4 spoon of haldi. Grind to a smooth paste adding water. Transfer the cooked dal to a pan. You may now remove the salt. Add the ground masole to the dal. Adding water as needed as per the consistency you desire. Mix well. Add salt to taste. Bring this to a boil and then reduce flame. Continue cooking on a low flame until it comes to a boil again. Now switch off flame. For tempering, heat oil and splatter mustard seeds. Then add some curry leaves. And switch off flame. Add this to the Ghassi and keep covered for the flavors to infuse. Enjoy this hot with rice. Have this delicious meal with your family and friends. As usual, like, share, and subscribe.